But you gotta be there for me too.
Crazy 8, you guys. Okay, it's the Crazy 8, you guys, and we are back. It's time to do some Mentos and Coke. What's up, you guys? Happy Halloween from the Crazy 8. We are back. We're gonna do some Mentos and Coke in these pumpkins. Let's get this challenge on. We have Makayla and Makai. Y'all make sure you give us a big thumbs up if you like our video. Be sure to subscribe. We love you guys. Thanks for the support. And tell us who you think will win, Makayla or Makai. They have their own strategy, so let's get into this video, you guys. And be sure to stick around. We got a surprise at the end. What y'all gonna start with?
Soda.
They have their Coca-Colas. Come on, go ahead. What you gonna do? Are you gonna pour your soda first? Okay, so they want to put their soda in their pumpkins. So let's watch their strategy and see which one works. Makai, do you need help opening your soda? Okay. Move the soda out the way when we finish. Put the top on it. You can't put it all the way to the top. Don't put it to the top.
Macaulay,
You got it up. You ain't got enough in your pumpkin, Macaulay. You trying to save soda to drink. Hold on, is that all yours or is that one of yours too? Is that Makayla's? You need to get all your Mentos. Okay, you guys, so we're about to start this challenge in 3, 2, 1.
drop.
What happened? Is that a fail?
Yeah.
It's not doing anything
Money.
inside the pumpkin. OMG. Are you freaking serious?
I'm kind of doing something. Yeah, y'all gotta be a savage and ass on so I'm just, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah.
Looking for all your songs.
Pour it.
What? It's down. Cut.
That's cute.
I'm winning that prize. I'm winning that prize. I'm winning to the ground. You got yours on the side. Girl, you ain't winning nothing. You ain't winning nothing. Look at that.
I think we're gonna try an experiment because that looked to be a fail. I'm gonna do them 2 different ways and see which one works the best. Hold on, you guys. Let's see. You be the judge. Okay, guys. So, as you see, I just quickly carved out the pumpkins so they can have equal time in this trying to get the drink out. One I will try with the Coke in it and pour the Mentos in. I'll do that in here. And then the other, I'll put the Mentos inside and pour the Coke on top of it. Let's see if we can go with the great challenge. Come on, give me a big thumbs up. Woo, 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 woo. Which one you think is going to be better? Okay, 1 pack of Mentos each in them and 1 soda for each pumpkin. Just gonna get all the Mentos out so I can push them all in at one time. Which one do you think is gonna be better? Okay, we're gonna pour some soda in this one. We're gonna pour some soda in the smaller one. Let's just see it first out. Okay. Whew, you see it already running out of the mouth. Okay. I'm gonna save that soda. I'm not gonna put it all in there at one time. Okay. I call myself having a strategy. And I'm gonna put a whole pack of Mentos in this pumpkin right here. Let's see, does that work? I think we need 2 packs of Mentos. What do you guys think? I think we need 2 packs. Let's do another pack. Okay. That's 2 full packs of Mentos in this one. 1 pack in this one. Let's see which will be better. Okay, we already got soda in here. I gotta pick it up at the same time. Mentos in this one, Coke in this one. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. I don't know how cool it looked on your end, but it was pretty freaking cool on this end, y'all. That was so satisfying. Oh my gosh. And it's still running out. Happy Halloween from the Crazy 8. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to be part of our family. Give us a big thumbs up. Support, support, support. We love you guys. Till next video, we'll see you soon.